Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we are looking at a kitchen upgrade that promises to blend traditional reliability with modern efficiency. If you are tired of complex touchscreens that never seem to register your fingers, or if you simply need a compact solution for a studio apartment, a dorm, or a secondary cooking station, this GIHETKUT electric cooktop might just be what you need. Let us dive right into the performance. This is a 12-inch, 2-burner electric ceramic cooktop that packs a total of 2200 watts. Each burner gives you 1100 watts of power, which is quite impressive for a standard 110-volt connection. The real selling point here is the heating technology. It uses far-infrared heating, which effectively mimics the heat profile of a gas stove. This is a huge win for those of you who prefer the way gas cooks but cannot have an open flame in your space. Because it is a ceramic cooktop, you are not limited to specific magnetic pans. You can use aluminum, copper, cast iron, or stainless steel. If it is a pot or pan in your kitchen, it will work here. Now, let us talk about the design choice that really stands out. While the industry has been racing toward flat touch controls, GIHETKUT went with physical knobs. This is a brilliant move for a few reasons. First, the tactile feedback of a physical knob is much more satisfying and reliable than a finicky sensor. Second, it is a huge safety feature. By requiring a physical turn of a knob, you significantly reduce the risk of children or pets accidentally turning the unit on by brushing against it. In terms of operation, you get 9 power levels. This gives you plenty of granularity for anything from a slow, gentle simmer to a fast, hard boil. The heating is efficient because it transfers energy directly to the cookware, which keeps your kitchen cooler than a traditional coil burner would. Cleaning up is also a breeze. Once the surface has cooled down, a quick wipe with a damp cloth is usually all it takes to keep it looking brand new. However, no product is perfect, so let us cover the pros and cons. On the pro side, the versatility of the cookware compatibility is a massive advantage. You do not need to replace your existing pots and pans. The knob controls are a breath of fresh air for accessibility and safety. The heating speed is consistent and powerful for the voltage class. On the flip side, because it is a ceramic cooktop, the surface will remain hot for a while after you turn it off. You need to be mindful of that residual heat. Also, while it is compact, remember that you are getting 2 burners side by side, so make sure your pot sizes are appropriate to ensure they both fit comfortably at the same time. In conclusion, the GIHETKUT electric cooktop is a reliable, no-nonsense piece of kitchen tech. It prioritizes function and safety over flashy digital displays, which is exactly what many home chefs want in a secondary cooktop. If you are looking for a powerful, versatile, and easy-to-control burner set that fits a standard outlet, this is a very strong contender. Link in the description.